Hello friends, you are welcome to today's class. As you can see, we are in challenge 3. So let me read the challenge out. Write a program to get name and age from the user and display name and age on the screen in the format. So the expected result is, so if the name of the person is this and the age is 25, then they want us to display our result like this. Hi, Fizal Zamer, your age is 25. So the first thing you are going to do is to open your VS Code. Once you open your VS Code, you create a file. So I will say challenge3.py. Challenge3.py. So the next thing I'm going to do is to first prompt the user to enter their name and their age. So I will create a variable. I will say name will be equals to input function. Please enter your name. The next one, I will say age will be equals to input. Please enter your age. So with this, the user have supplied their name and their age. So the next thing I will do is to, don't forget, they want us to display the result like this. Hi, this hi name, exclamation, your age is this. So I'll come here. So I will display, I'll say print. I will use the F string to make things easy for me. I will say hi, then the name, hi name, the exclamation mark, your age is, then the age. So let me show us what we are asked to do. So hi, the name, exclamation, your age is this, full stop. So hi, the name, exclamation, your age, this is capital letter, your age is, then a full stop here. Full stop here. So let me save and let me run this code. So I'll go to file, then okay, this is running here. So let me run the program here. So as you can see, they're asking me to enter name. So I will say, let me say my name is Jude Daniel. I'll press enter. As you can see, they're asking me to enter my age. I will say my age is 25. I'll press enter. So this is the result. Hi, Jude Daniel, your age is 25. So friends, this is what we are asked to do. As you can see, it's very simple and easy to accomplish. So thank you very much. This is challenge 3. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and click the bell below to turn on the notification so that when I upload my next video, you'll be the first to see it. Thank you very much for your time. See you in our next challenge. Thank you. Peace.